The legalization of cannabis at the state level has been moving rapidly across the country at an unprecedented rate, especially over the past few years. The main impetus is public outcry from a large cross-section of the population. People want safe access to cannabis as a medicine and also for recreational use. As an internal medicine physician, I am keenly interested in cannabis and how it could potentially help my patients, especially when pharmaceuticals fail. I initially was very jaded and skeptical of medicinal cannabis, thinking that there's just not enough science backing it. I did not think much of the positive anecdotes on how it works to decrease seizures in children, how it helps with many ailments like chronic pain and spasticity, nausea and vomiting, and many more. After all, I'm a physician that practices evidence-based medicine. Then I started researching cannabis and found that there is an amazing amount of scientific data to support its use for many ailments. There are many preclinical animal studies dating way back to the early 1970s in the United States. And there is a plethora of data, including clinical trials from other countries like Israel, Spain, and the UK, that shows the promise of cannabis. I can't even imagine where we would be with science of cannabis if we were allowed to study it here in the United States. Since the elucidation of the endocannabinoid system in the 1980s, scientists have been looking at potential novel biochemical targets to treat disease. Even the father of cannabis research, Dr. Emil Shalom, even postulated that cannabis could potentially replace many pharmaceutical drugs, in the upwards of maybe 40%. With all of this science, I know now that I should be skeptical of the federal prohibition of cannabis. The state of Nevada approved medicinal cannabis in 2000, but did not allow for commercial cultivation, production, or dispensaries until 2013. The state of Nevada is now poised for a new and an interesting industry to begin. I've had the fortune and distinct honor to put together an amazing team of healthcare professionals, business professionals, as well as cannabis professionals, and started Nevada Botanical Science. We have been awarded provisional licenses for the cultivation of cannabis, as well as the production of cannabis products, like oil. Our facility is located in Reno, Nevada, and was just recently approved by the Reno City Council. We're excited to move forward with our construction of our facility, and we'll be making cannabis oil soon. At Nevada Botanical Science, we strive to be the industry leader in cannabis oil extraction so that we can provide safe, pure, and consistent cannabis-based medicines. We're also affiliated with Organolabs Denver and will be the sole distributor of a major national cannabis brand called Open Vape for Northern Nevada. We also plan on developing a wellness nutraceutical line that will pair CBD or cannabidiol with other medicinal botanicals so you can get the health benefits without the high. We will devote our efforts to education, research, and development, and have already established a foundation called Friends of NBS. This foundation will raise funds for research and to help patients that cannot afford their cannabis-based medicines. The future is promising, as there is no can't in cannabis. My name is Robert Dalrymple, CEO of Nevada Botanical Science. Thank you for tuning in to my blog, and please come back for more insightful information with respect to cannabis science and insights into the cannabis industry. Thank you and have a good day.